These are our basic instructions on how to install the T-blade system. First, place the T-blade onto your timber post to assist in marking its dimensions. Turn over the post and mark the slot location in the centre of the timber post base. Use a drill to create a rounded finish at the end of the slot. Then, using a circular saw, run it through twice to create the slot for the T-blade. Drill holes at your marked locations for the fastening bolts. Place your T-blade in your planned level installation location and mark out where your anchoring bolts will go. Drill out the holes for your anchoring bolts as per the manufacturer's instructions, and remember to remove dust before installing these bolts. Install the bolts as per the instructions provided, and if using a T-blade cap, place this on now. Next, slide on your timber posts and secure with view bolts for the cleanest finish. Your installation is now complete. Don't forget to take a photo and share with ViewTrade on our social media. For more information and resources, head to viewtrade.com.